Oh, you're so close. We need like a big net. Hi. Here. Come here. Hey. Mom, leave your goat alone.
I was hoping he'd like kind of chill and come over here by Jackson. If Jackson's just standing here chill, but he knows, doesn't he? He knows. He knows I need to mess with him.
You say hi? Want me to grab his leg?
You gotta be fast. Oh, shit. Come here. Come here.
Right. Move it this way. Oh, hi, Jackson. Hi, Star. Why did you gotta be back here? Sorry, Star.
You're in a bad spot, buddy.
You went too far.
Cameron!
How do you go through there? Get it, get it, get it.
Yes! Alright, baby, I gotta go to work. I can't.
We're trying to rope a goat. Why are we trying to rope a goat?
Because his insides are on the outside.
So we have a goat that his name's Cameron, having issues peeing, which is making his rectum stick out of his backside. So the girl's right here feeding the animals, trying to catch him so my wife could push it back in, and they're having issues catching him. So Hannah's gonna rope him, and then the wife's gonna come back and do what she needs to do to put his rectum back in. So we're gonna try to do this. Let's see what happens. Well, that's not roping.
Well, I mean, it's easier sometimes because if I swing it around, he's gonna run off. So
I'm out here in my Crocs amongst all this horse poo. I didn't think I was gonna be out here doing this, but yeah, I don't know if I can get a picture for you guys. See the little red spot on his back end? Well, that's his hind part coming out.
I'll twist it up.
Maggie, no, it's nasty.
This is fun.
Real cowboys are laughing at us right now. You don't know how to rope.
Even if we could get his leg, that's good. Ah, it's so close up. Maybe if we can get him to his house.
How are you gonna get him in the house?
He's walking over there right now. If we just ease him, he'll jump up and then we can slip the rope on. Whew, it's a piece of pie. Okay.
Suck him up in your shoe. Poo.
Got poo in your shoe?
Poo in my shoe.
Oh, I stepped in a hole.
Filming the ground?
No, not really. Hi. See? Plan's gonna work.
Yeah.
Unless he goes under the house. No, I'll say that. Let me be right. Let me work. Okay. It's my idea to rope them.
Well, it ain't working.
Well, not fat. Look, I told you. Aha! Come on. Hi, Cameron. Wait here.
I roped the goat.
We roped the goat. Now what? I didn't get this far in my plan.
I guess I just shove it back in.
Oh, this is so nasty.
Yep.
Ew, you flamed it on me. As if you can see that. Ooh.
There.
Okay, fall back in.
All right, little buddy.
It out.
You stink. Oh my goodness, you stink. The gloves are all nasty.
Woohoo! Success! I will give you a high five. I'm not touching your hand.
Alright, so we got this, I don't even know what it's called, back in there. The other goats are running off. They're like, no, don't do me, don't do me. But,
my idea worked.
so he walked back up into his goat house. That's where they go when it rains and thunderstorms. And look at him. I don't know if y'all can see him. He's looking at us like, why did y'all do that to me? Anyways, that poor goat. He's the first to the feed bucket. He doesn't come out in the morning to get fed. Then we know there's something wrong with him. So for about, a couple of months now, he's got like little stones that are blocking his urine from coming out. My wife's done different things to fix it and alleviate it, and she's helped some. And it'll go a couple of weeks and then he'll have issues again. What are you doing, Dylan? Huh? Where you going? You wanna smell that? Nasty? Huh? Crisis diverted for now. She's putting medicine in him to help him break down the blockage. There's something else that she does. Maybe I can catch it on camera one day and show y'all. Open the gate. I don't want to touch this glove. He's finally come out of his goat house. I guess he's figuring, well, we're not gonna mess with him no more. So anyways, I just thought I'd show a little bit of excitement there. I'll try to get some more video of the poor guy. Hopefully he'll heal up, and we'll just keep treating him with this medicine. All right, guys, we're all cleaned up, getting ready to settle down for the night, and he's taken care of, and we'll keep an eye out on him. It keeps popping back out though, and we're just worried that it's gonna get into something more serious and get infection. He's having a hard time urinating, and he's just grunting and pushing, and the medicine, it is helping, but it's not helping enough. So anyways, you know, this isn't scripted, this is real life. I hope that didn't gross any of you guys out, but those are some of the things that you know, we have to tend to out here with sick animals, and it's just life. Anyways, I hope y'all liked the video. If y'all would do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.